After you finish making both of the little legs, what you will do next is round one of the body. For round one, remember you have fastened off for the first leg, but you did not fasten off for the second leg because we're going to continue working from there. So from here, you're going to make sure both legs are going to point in the same direction. You can find that out by seeing where the tip of the feet are and making sure they match. And what you're going to do is first single crochet until you get to the very side of the leg. So I'm not too far from that. I'm just going to single crochet 2 more here. 1 and 2. And with the feet pointed forward, I want to verify that I'm at the very side. Here are my toes. This is the very side of the leg. And here, I'm now going to chain 2, 1 and 2. And then I'm going to join with a single crochet to the side of the next leg. So folding it flat like this, I'll be able to see where the side is. Remember, I want the toes pointing forward, so insert my hook into the side here. And I'm going to single crochet to join. And then I'm going to single crochet around this entire second leg. So watch me single crochet around here, putting 1 single crochet in each stitch. After you've single crocheted around the leg, you're now going to come across the 2 chains that you made. You're going to insert 1 single crochet in each of those chains. So 1 single crochet in the first chain, 1 single crochet in the next chain, and then single crochet around in each of the stitches down here now. So that's going to be, we're just basically going to single crochet around the leg here. When you've single crocheted 12 stitches around that leg, you're going to insert 2 single crochets into each of the 2, or 1 single crochet into each of the 2 chains that you made. And that concludes the joining round of the body. You'll see that the 2 legs are now joined together and they're attached. So you can continue working from here and you will be able to finish the body. All right, that's that for the joining round. Thanks for tuning in and have a happy time crafting.